Hello everyone, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to link Instagram to Facebook. So let's dive in. To link your Instagram account to your Facebook account, follow these steps. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Scroll down and tap on Account. Select Facebook and enter your Facebook login credentials if prompted. You can choose the privacy settings for the linked accounts. Select who can see your Instagram posts on Facebook and tap Next. Allow the necessary permissions for Instagram to access your Facebook account. You can choose to link to your personal Facebook profile or a page you manage. Tap Next and then Done. Your Instagram account is now linked to your Facebook account. This means you can easily share your Instagram posts directly to Facebook if you choose to. Keep in mind that the exact steps might vary slightly based on app updates or changes.